CompTIA Security plus Visualization, Innocuous versus Obfuscation. Overview. This project demonstrates the concepts of innocuous and obfuscation, essential terms in the field of cybersecurity, particularly in the context of the CompTIA Security Plus certification. These visualizations help bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and practical understanding by using Python to showcase how clear signals, innocuous, can be altered to obscure their original form, obfuscation. Key concepts. Innocuous refers to clear, unaltered, and easily interpretable data or signals. In cybersecurity, this can represent normal baseline network activity or plain text data. Obfuscation, the process of making something less clear or more difficult to understand. This technique is widely used in encryption, malware development, and data masking. Relevance to CompTIA Security Plus. Obfuscation. Used in cryptographic algorithms to protect data. Commonly employed by malware to evade detection, e.g., encoding or encrypting payloads. Ensures sensitive information remains hidden during transmission or storage. Innocuous. Represents a baseline or normal behavior in network monitoring. Crucial for detecting anomalies when deviations from innocuous behavior occur. Forms the foundation for intrusion detection systems, IDS, and security event analysis. Visualization. This project uses Python and the following libraries. Matplotlib, for creating 2D plots. NumPy, for numerical computations and data generation. The script visualizes a clear sine wave representing innocuous, normal, data. The same sine wave with added noise to simulate obfuscation.